Hi everyone and welcome back. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title today, we are going to be cleaning out my drawers. So what I'm going to be doing is I have dirty clothes and then I also have clothes that are still packed away from college that I still need to go through. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go through all of my drawers and not my closet yet. So I'm not going to go through this yet, but I do have a closet, like a wardrobe thing that I'm going to go through. So I'm going to go through that and go through all the drawers and stuff like that. So before we get started, make sure you go down below and hit subscribe. Also, while you're down there, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and follow me on all my social media, Twitter and Instagram. You know the drill. And let's just hop right into the cleaning. So I've decided that I'm turning this into a trying on everything in my drawers video. So along with cleaning out my drawers, I'm also going to be able to show you guys the clothes that I have in my drawers while we're cleaning. So I'm going to go through all the drawers, but along with that, I'm going to be trying them on and showing you guys, giving you guys a little montage of all the clothes. So if I remember where the clothes came from, I'll put the location of where I got them down here. But yeah, let's just get right into the montage. I just finished this whole dresser, and these right here are obviously going to go in that drawer. I'm just going to sort through them again, so I'm not really sure. But now I'm going to go through this dresser, and let's just hop right into it. That is it for going through all my drawers and my wardrobe. Now I'm probably going to do my closet off camera because, you know, it's a little much, and I still need to do my laundry and go through all the stuff that I still have packed from school. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let me know down below if you like the cleaning content slash going through all my junk content. Also, make sure to follow me on all my social media to keep up with me. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You guys know the drill, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys.
So hold on, honey.